What's up to all my freelancers and creatives? This is Nathan, and what I'm doing right now is something a little different. So I'm actually driving on the road, and I'm headed to my day job. And the one thing I realized is I spend tons of time in the car. In Houston, Texas, where I live, there are tons of people, millions of people, and it's growing every year, every month. More people are around. And there are so many cars on the road, and driving somewhere, it can be 10 to 20 miles away. It's going to take you 30 minutes to an hour sometimes. And don't let there be an accident. So it takes quite a bit of time. And at least for me, I realized, how can I be more productive with my time? How can I spend my time wisely and still generate content, still be productive? And I realized that I can do what I'm doing now. I can still talk and create content while driving. So this is how it's going to go down. I have a podcast, Freelance Jumpstart, that normally is on a weekly basis. Been on pause for a bit, but now it's coming back. So one of the things we're going to do differently when the show does return is I'll still do the weekly episodes, but I'm going to release what I call mini-sodes in between each episode. And with that, I'm going to answer questions. So I'm going to answer the top questions that I hear from entrepreneurs and those starting their own business and those managing their business and freelancing. I'm going to take all of the top questions that I get, and I'm going to make sure to answer them during this time. So one of the things this will allow me to do is still do the weekly podcast and answer specific questions from people that I see all the time. And my goal here really is to create an area where you have frequently asked questions by entrepreneurs and freelancers alike, and you can get answers to those questions in a quick manner. A lot of the episodes I put together, there's a lot of work that goes into it. There's, first coming up with the concept or researching. Then there is writing all of the episode, and then I have to check it for accuracy. Then I record. Then I write transcripts. Then I begin to put the content out there and the video out there, because I do video and audio as well. So there's a lot that goes into that, but these can be short, quick ways to answer questions and still get you content on a weekly basis. So that's what I'm looking to do. That's the hope. That's the goal. There are so many cars buzzing around me right now. That's how Houston is, though. But that's the goal, to get you content in a quicker manner. And I believe this platform, this format, could do a good job in doing that. So if you got a question, it doesn't matter. I find questions on Reddit. I find questions on Google. I find questions on Twitter that people ask me. I find questions on people emailing me directly. So it doesn't matter how the question gets to me. I would recommend just hit me up on Twitter at Nathan Allotey. Ask your question there. If not, you'll feel free to go to my website, nathanallotey.com. And there'll be a specific section on the website called Traffic Talk. You can go here and ask questions specifically on that page, and I'll get it. So however you want to get the question to me, that's fine. I'll be looking for questions as well online. So either way, I'll be available for those questions. So yeah, I'm just excited. I'm excited about this new format. I think it's going to be good. I ran the idea by a couple people. They like it. I don't see anybody else doing it. They're doing a Q&A portion, but I guess that's from the comfort of their own home. When you're on the grind, when you're on the hustle, when you got a day job and you have a side hustle or a side business, you got to maximize all the time that you can. And me spending 2 to 2.5 to 3 hours in a car, just driving different places, commuting. And it's not that long because I live far away. It's that long because that's how bad Houston traffic is. But when you're spending a lot of time in the car, it sucks away time from generating content. So this is my way of being productive, maximizing my time, and utilizing it to continue to generate more content. Thank you for taking the time to check this out. I greatly appreciate it. And as I mentioned, this is just the announcement of, the show and Traffic Talk and what's coming. So I'm going to do a lot of different things. I'm using this new format to do Q&A. I am redesigning my whole website, my brand. I'm going to change a lot of things up. So there'll be a lot of exciting things coming in the future. But this is just one piece of the puzzle, and I wanted to clue you guys into what I'm doing. Well, until the next one, I will catch you later.